Jai Hind. Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel Atmanirbhar Bharat. To your surprise, let me tell you a thing. India was actually Atmanirbhar in its olden days. But the people here were very simple and got suppressed by the cunning fox like invaders and rulers. One great such example of is Shivkar Bapuji Talpade. A legend he was indeed who got dumped by a cunning British government. Rather than skipping this video, stay tuned to know further more about this great personality. Bapuji Talpade lived in Mumbai. He studied Sanskrit literatures and Vedas. My dear friends, India is the country with enormous wealth of knowledge. Every problem has a solution and every solution is mentioned in the ancient script writings of India. Bapuji studied these very keenly, inspired by Maharshi Bharadwaj writings in Rigved and with the help of these created wonders. To all those still wondering, what did he do? My dear friends, Bapuji was the person, even before the Wright brothers, to have flight an aeroplane in India on the Mumbai coast at Juhu Beach in the year 1895. Shivkar Bapuji Talpade was born in 1864 in the locality of Chira Bazar in Bombay. He was a scholar of Sanskrit and from his young age was attracted by the Vaimanika Shastra, aeronautical science expounded by the great Indian sage Maharshi Bharadwaj. It is said that there was approximately 500 principles writings in the book which were 32 processes to construct a plane. Please take a note of it. The book had 500 principles with about 32 ways processes of constructing a plane. Could you ever imagine this? Now you got me right, India was actually a Atmanirbhar in its olden days. Shivkar Bapuji Talpade flew an unmanned aircraft 8 years before the Wright brothers, demonstrated on the December 17, 1903 that it was possible for a man heavier than an air machine to fly. But in 1895, 8 years earlier, the Sanskrit scholar Shivkar Bapuji Talpade had designed a basic aircraft called Marutsaka, meaning to have a wind as companion, based on the Vedic technology document in ancient Sanskrit manuscripts. His demonstration flight took place in a large audience in the Chowpatty of the Bombay. The importance of the Wright brothers lies in fact that it was a manned flight for a distance of 120 feet and Orville Wright became the first man to fly. But the Talpade's unmanned aircraft flew to the height of 1500 feet and even landed successfully on the ground. Unfortunately, the actual date is not mentioned in the Kesari newspaper of Pune, which covered the event and was witnessed by the famous Indian judge, nationalist Mahadev Govinda Ranade and the King of the Baroda, H.H. Sayajirao Gaikwad. The historian Evan Costa has described Talpade as the first creator of an aircraft. Reports conclude that they obtained the designs from Guru Subraya Shastri, who compiled Maharshi Bharadwaj Vaimanika Shastra, a collection of some parts of the original Vedic period text. In fact, let me tell you, some people say that Shivkar Bapuji's craft only flew onto the 20 meters height and crashed within the 17 minutes. And let me tell you that this was a rumor, hence was counted largely as a failure, but had been alone more R&D money, he might have gone into the annals of the history. Anyway, Talpade supposedly lost interest in these things after his wife's death, which happened sometimes after the test flight. And after his own death in 1917, at the age of the 53, his relative sold the machine in which children of his house used to play to the Raleigh Brothers, a leading British exporting firm that operating in Mumbai. It is important to note that Talpade was no scientist, just a Sanskrit scholar who had built in his aircraft entirely from the rich treasure of Indian Vedas. Maharaja Sayajirao Gaikwad of Baroda was a great supporter of the sciences in India and was willingly to help Talpade with funds to build the aircraft and the Mercury engines.
Friends, we have no objection on the Wright brothers' success, but we deeply from our heart feel that India's achievement must be given. So this is the fact in the last few minutes we presented over you. So now it's upon you to approve it or not. दोस्तों, मुझे यकीन है कि ये वीडियो देखकर हर एक भारतीय की छाती गर्व से फूल गई होगी, इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं। दोस्तों, अगर आप भी चाहते हो कि हम आपको ऐसे ही भारत के पराक्रमों के ऊपर वीडियो दिखाते रहे और आपको गर्व महसूस करवाते रहे, तो प्लीज़ आत्मनिर्भर भारत चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको भी लगता है कि ये सच्चाई हर घर तक पहुंचनी चाहिए, तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए और हमें आपके रिव्यूज़ कमेंट में बताइए। आत्मनिर्भर भारत, एक नए भारत की ओर। जय हिंद, जय भारत।